Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video I am going to show you a simple trick how to compress files like PDF files for example and significantly reduce their file size using the Soda PDF file converting tool. So guys, let's get started. So what you want to do is head over to sodapdf.com and here on their homepage click on Online Tools at the top, and from the following menu select Compress PDF. Reduce the size of any PDF without affecting file quality. There you go. So on the next page click on that button to locate your file, your PDF file on your device, to upload it, and after that Soda will ask you whether you would like to apply a regular compression with an estimated compression of around 40% or a high compression with an estimated compression of up to 85%. However guys, the second option is only available for users with a Pro membership. So for demonstration purposes I will go with 40% file compression. Select it, click on compress file here, wait for the compression process to be finished, and there you go. As you can see, the file size has been significantly reduced by 50% from 71 KB to 36 KB, and that's basically it. You can download your compressed file here and save it on your device. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.